channel. I know I haven't posted it in a while. I'm sorry about that. I just hadn't got many ideas. But what we're doing here is we're doing oobleck, and you might know what oobleck is. But what it is it's, you can see it looks like a liquid, but if you hit it with force, it's a solid. You scoop it up. It's a solid now, so it cracks. But then you let it go, and it just
turns into a liquid, and
yeah, it just goes like that. And look at our hands, really dirty.
And to make it, you need just water, and then pour quite a lot of corn flour into it, and then stir it up, and eventually it will work and turn into oobleck.
So, yes, you can just do this with it and stuff, and you can crunch it like that. And I have a quick shout out just to make for Mindfizz Gaming and Vlogs, because he gave me a shout out a while ago, and he's actually my step cousin, so go and subscribe to him if you can. And also next time we're doing a video, well, we're going to be making a massive ball out of whipped cream, but I want you to tell me what we should do it. Anything that's a circle, it could be a character, an emoji, anything. So yeah, just put down in the comment section what you think we should do. And do you have anything to say, Freddy?
And also, I'm going to be making my own channel, and it's going to be about football. So
if anyone likes football.
Yeah. So, and I'll be doing it with my friends and my dad, and I'll be doing just challenges and.
Okay. So we're just going to be playing with oobleck now, and you can just see what we're doing with the oobleck. So at the moment I'm just making a ball.
Yeah, and you can, if you just take a chunk and you can roll it around, and then, and also if you squeeze it, it will turn. So that will turn into a liquid, but if you squeeze it really hard, it will turn into a solid still, but then it will come straight into a liquid.
Oh, and also we have I actually have a video that's actually on Jayzilla's channel, but we're counting it as my video. We just filmed it on Jayzilla's phone, and we couldn't get it to my channel, so it's on his channel, but we're counting that as my video. So if you want, go and check out that video.
And if you want to make oobleck, then just then all you need to do is just
water.
Yeah. So just these two ingredients, and then it'll be done.
And also, you can add food dye to this if you want.
And
we choose to not because
orange.
you didn't really want to. Or you can add any colour. You can just play with it, and
it's quite a fun fiddle toy as well.
Also,
so you could just bring it into class.
if you want, you could just bring it into class and play with it.
That's something that my brother would do.
Unless the teacher, found out.
Yeah. George has been taught the fiddle toy before.
When?
In year 6.
Okay. No, I actually had a fiddle toy. So yeah, so that's all. Make sure you put in the comment section what we should do for the whipped cream ball, and yeah, bye.
Okay. See ya.
And subscribe to Freddy's channel.